All right, so everyone's talking about using AI for marketing, right? Nowadays, you see it everywhere. But most businesses are using it in a way that makes them sound exactly the same. And if your competitor can get the same output from the same tool you're using, I got news for you. That output, it's not an advantage. Hi, I'm Allen Stafford, and this is Marketing Binder. See, I help small businesses think clearly about marketing so they stop guessing and start making confident decisions, especially when it comes to using AI. And this video here kicks off a short series on using AI for marketing without becoming a cookie cutter. We're going to basically start with why so much AI-driven marketing sounds the same and how to avoid that trap from the beginning. So this video is not a tools list. This is not a prompt hack video, and this definitely isn't post more content faster, okay? This is about how to think about AI so it actually helps your marketing instead of quietly eroding it. See, AI didn't suddenly ruin marketing. What happened is that people started using AI like a shortcut generator. So to write faster, to summarize this or that, to turn one post into 10, and AI is great at that. But here's the catch. Generative AI predicts what's most likely to come next, not what's most differentiated. So when everyone asks similar questions, well, they get similar answers. That's why so much AI-assisted marketing feels, well, familiar, polished, and unfortunately, forgettable. See, efficiency feels productive. I get it. And I'm not anti-efficiency. Saving time matters, especially for small businesses and solopreneurs. But here's the danger, okay? Efficiency without judgment just scales mediocrity. So if your competitor is using the same model, asking the same questions, and publishing first draft output from AI, you're not competing anymore. You're blending in. And that's the efficiency trap, okay? You gain speed, but you lose edge. So here's the mental model that I want you to use when you think about AI. See, AI is a pattern spotter, a draft partner, a thinking mirror. It's excellent at showing you what's common, what repeats, and what's already out there. But AI is not a strategist, a decision maker, or a truth engine for that matter. AI doesn't know your market, it doesn't know your customers, and it definitely doesn't know what trade-offs you should make. So if you hand AI the steering wheel per se, don't be surprised when it drives you into the same lane as everyone else. So before you use AI for marketing, I want you to pause and ask 3 questions, okay? First question, what decision am I actually trying to make? Not what content should I post, but what am I trying to clarify, to test, or to communicate to my customers? Second, what context does AI need from me? AI needs context, like maybe who's your audience, your positioning statement, or your product positioning, or your constraints and limitations as a business. And third, what am I still responsible for deciding? Because AI can support thinking, but it cannot replace judgment. So using AI for marketing works best when you decide the direction and AI supports the process. When AI replaces thinking, marketing becomes generic. When AI supports thinking, marketing gets sharper. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the smartest use of AI for marketing, and it has nothing to do with writing content faster. It's about using AI to understand your customers better than your competitors actually do. And that's where the real advantage starts.